Hey crafty friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video. Today we are going to be using Miss Ink Stamp's Succulent Stencil and the Lama Love Stamp and Die Set to create a clean and simple, fun card that's really awesome. All right, I've got a piece of white cardstock cut at 4 by 5 1/4. That's going to be for my card base or card front. And we're going to take our Succulent Swirls Stencil, and we are going to do a little ink blending. We're going to start off with an orange color. So I'm going to grab some orange ink, and I'm going to start from the top and just give this a little ink blending through our stencil. So we're just going to add that. Then I'm going to come in with a pink ink. And I do have all the supplies linked and listed in the video description below if you want to grab something. So we're going to come in with pink. And I'm going to let the pink and the orange blend just a little bit. And I am going to bring that down a little. Then I'm going to bring in a tealish blue ink. And I'm going to start at the bottom. And I'm going to fade this up into the pink to let that transition into a more of a purplish color right there. And we have a red-orange here with that pink and the orange. So we're getting a little rainbow transition right there. So I will remove my stencil. There's my background panel. And then I have a piece of white cardstock that I have cut at 3 by 3 1/2. And I've went ahead and stamped my sentiment for the card front. And I'm going to add just a little blue ink right around this top. And let it fade in. So there's that. That's all my ink blending done. All right, I did go ahead and stamp and color my little llamas and a couple of the little baskets and his little vest. And I'm going to go ahead and cut these out. So I'm going to grab the coordinating dies, line everything up, and I will run this through my die cutting machine to cut everything out. Just a second. We'll get our little llama lined up. It's actually a really easy and quick card to make. Plus, it's punny and fun, so there's always that. I will have to cut one of these little one of those little vases out again, because there's only one die for it. But before I do that, I do want to come in with one of the pinks and add a little pink to those little stripes right there. Take that one in place. And then we have our little vest. So I'm gonna grab my die cutting machine, my little scout, and I will cut these out, and then we will run that second one through as well. All right, I've got a teal top-folded A2 card base and then a matte layer of the same color cardstock that is 3 1/4 by 3 3/4. That's what we're going to layer our little card front on, our card focal panel. We're going to go ahead and layer up our little rainbow of succulents onto our card base. So we'll just add liquid glue behind it. I will add this to my card base. I'll go ahead and layer up my little focal panel. It says Woolly Awesome Mail. And I will attach this straight to our card base, because I am going to pop up our little llama. So we're going to pop that right in there. Make sure that's lined up. Add the little llama's covering here onto his little back. I'm going to take and flip him over. I'll add a couple foam squares back behind. I can get those backings off. Then we're going to pop him on this side of our card. And then we're going to arrange our little pots. So I'm going to go ahead and, this one is going to get just straight down. Then I've got a thin foam square I'm going to add behind my other pot. I'm going to pop it over here. Then I'm going to pop a thicker foam square behind our other little pot. So we have that nice tiered effect. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit more. I'll grab my gel pen so I can add a little highlight to our little llama, to his little face. We'll add some to that side. We're going to add some to our little pots. Now, before I add my embellishment to the outside, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open the card up, because I'm going to go ahead and stamp something on the inside. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add my second little llama on the inside of my card. And I'm also going to add, hope you have a llama amazing day on the inside for a sentiment. So I'm just going to pick those up. And I will stamp those with the same blue ink that I used on the outside of the card. So I'm going to stamp these a couple times. To make them just a little bit darker to stand out on the inside. All right, so there's the inside of my card that says, hope you have a llama amazing day. So we're going to take and I'll move the Misty out of the way. I've got some little white rhinestones. We're going to add a few of those to our card. I'm going to add 2 at the top, and I'm going to add 3 right there below the sentiment. And I'm going to start off with a medium here and a small. Then I'll add a small up here. And we'll add a medium there as well. And then I will add another small right there. All right, my crafty friends, here is our look at our finished card. I'll hold it closer up to the camera for you. Here is a look at the inside of our card. Remember, if you need any of the supplies, I have them all linked in the video description below. If you like this video, you're probably going to like the one coming up right over there. I'll see you in that video. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.